Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Learned counsel for the petitioners has primarily emphasized that learned prescribed authority while rejecting the application moved by the petitioners for cross-examination of the witnesses produced by the plaintiffs has erred in law. Stop. He has also stated that while rejecting the application seeking permission to cross-examine the witnesses, the learned prescribed authority has not assigned any plausible reason therefore. Stop. His further submission is that a specific ground was taken by the petitioners by filing appeal before the appellant court against the order dated 22/12/2012 passed by the prescribed authority. That learned prescribed authority has wrongly rejected the application seeking opportunity to cross-examine the witnesses, but learned appellant court has also not considered the said prayer in its correct legal perspective. Stop. In this regard, he has submitted that application made by the petitioners before the appellate court was rejected on 22/11/2014 with the observation that the issue will be considered by the appellate court at the time of final hearing of the matter. However, while rendering the final judgment, the appellate court has not considered the said prayer and has also not taken into account the ground raised by the petitioners related thereto by observing that the application made by the petitioners stood rejected earlier, and as such there is no justification in considering the said application. Stop. Para. Apart from the aforesaid ground of denial of opportunity to cross-examine the witnesses, learned counsel for the petitioners has also stated that in fact the findings of fact recorded by the learned prescribed authority, which has been affirmed by the appellate court in respect of bona fide need and comparative hardships, is also against the evidence available on record. Stop. On the other hand, learned counsel representing the respondents has submitted that in the facts and circumstances of the case, no interference by this court is warranted in the judgment rendered by the prescribed authority, which has been affirmed by the appellate court. Stop. He has also stated that in absence of any provisions under UP Act number 13 of 1972 permitting cross-examination of the witnesses, there is no illegality which can be said to have been committed by the prescribed authority in denying the said opportunity to the petitioners. Stop. Para. Taking up the first argument raised by the learned counsel for the petitioners, I may only refer to the contents of the application made by the petitioners before the prescribed authority. Stop. The said application is on record. Stop. According to the said application, it was submitted by the petitioners before the prescribed authority that under the changed circumstances, the respondents have put wrong facts in respect of shop, which is adjoining the premises in question and was earlier in the occupation of another tenant, Ram Raj Prajapati. Stop. It was further stated in the said application that earlier the learned prescribed authority had rejected the application for issuing commission, and as such it would be in the interest of justice that in respect of the fact deposed by the witnesses produced by the respondents, the petitioners may be permitted to cross-examine them concerning the statement made in regard to the shop. Stop para. The said application was dealt with by the prescribed authority, who by means of the order dated 22/11/2012 rejected the same. Stop. While rejecting the said application, learned prescribed authority has given adequate reasons. Stop. Reasons given by the prescribed authority are to the effect that he was satisfied from perusal of the record that it has been deposed that the shop, which was earlier in possession of Ram Raj Prajapati, has came in the possession of the respondents plaintiffs on the basis of a compromise. Stop. Learned prescribed authority has also stated in the said order that the plaintiffs have only stated that in the said shop the wife of plaintiff and Srimati Draupadi themselves are doing some business relating to certain articles relating to ladies, which fact has been corroborated by the statements made by other witnesses. Stop. Thank you.